We heard a sobering prediction today from Dr. Anthony Fauci. The country's leading infectious disease expert said normal life may not return until the end of next year. 6 months to the day after the coronavirus was declared a pandemic, more than 192,000 Americans have died. New cases have fallen since the summer peak, but there were 35,000 new infections yesterday. Here's CBS's Manuel Bojorquez.
We need to hunker down and get through this fall and winter, because it's not going to be easy.
Despite downward trends in new cases in 24 states, Dr. Anthony Fauci is warning of new surges.
I am concerned when I see things starting to move indoors, and that becomes more compelling when you get into the fall and the winter season.
Yet in Nebraska, where COVID cases are on the rise, the governor is ending nearly all social distancing restrictions in bars, churches, and gyms beginning on Monday. Other concerns nationwide: cooler weather packing more people indoors, and the pandemic merging with the flu season.
Kylan Watkins back in.
The college football season just got off to a start, albeit a socially distanced one. But there are concerns games where fans are allowed could become super spreader events. Even with strict precautions, this Plainview, New York school bus is mostly empty. Typically, there are 40 students on board. Today, there were only 5.
The reason why I think these buses aren't really filling up with all the kids is just basically parents are scared.
Public schools in Los Angeles County will not reopen until at least November. But that's not true of bars in Florida. They can begin to operate at 50% capacity starting Monday, except in Miami-Dade County, where it's still deemed too risky.
So all of this is new, the plexiglass?
All of this is brand new.
Philippe Khalifa owns El Patio, a bar in Miami.
The county is saying it's still too risky. What do you say to that?
Let us be more like a restaurant where we can serve people at their table, serve them drinks and have a good time, and not have people running everywhere or dancing everywhere.
A new CDC report says patients who tested positive for the coronavirus were nearly twice as likely to report having gone to eat at a restaurant within 2 weeks of taking their test than those who tested negative. It's important to note, however, the study did not ask those patients whether they sat indoors or outdoors. Nora?
Manuel Bojorquez, thank you.